FCS Express can remember the position of gates, markers, and quadrants with the use of the Snapshot tools. To use the standard Snapshots tool, go to the Tools tab and click on Snapshots. This will open a new window. When you are ready to record a snapshot, press the plus button. You can give the snapshot a name, and you can enter a description of the snapshot. This records the gate, marker, and quadrant position on every plot at the time the snapshot was taken. If we change the gate, marker, or quadrant positions and we wish to restore the old positions, we can apply a snapshot to our layout. To do this, simply click on the snapshot you wish to apply within the Snapshots window and click Apply Snapshot. You may store unlimited snapshots. The snapshots will get saved when you save your layout. Those snapshots can be applied when the layout gets opened again. You can still apply a snapshot if the gate has since been deleted. If we delete the cells gate, then apply a previously taken snapshot, the cells gate will be added back to the plot. We just need to recreate the gate text boxes. One reason I may want to use snapshots is if I have multiple experimental conditions, each with different gate positions. For this condition, this gate position is appropriate, so I'd like to record a snapshot for condition A. For this other condition, a different gate position is appropriate. I'd like to record a new snapshot for condition B. Now, depending on the condition I am currently analyzing, I can apply the appropriate snapshot. Another reason I might want to use snapshots is when investigating my cell populations. I move my gates to many new positions to learn more about my data. For each of these new gate positions, I might want to record a snapshot. Then I can apply each of these snapshots one at a time to quickly compare them. If I want to revert back to the original gate positions, I can apply a snapshot taken before I started moving the gates. A snapshot can be used as a default starting position. FCS Express can remember the placement of markers, quadrants, and gates for each iteration using iteration snapshots. This will allow you to set a unique position for each iteration. Go to the Tools tab in the ribbon. Select Apply Iteration Snapshots. Adjust the gates, markers, and quadrants as desired for the current iteration. Then switch to the next iteration and make any desired adjustments to those gate, marker, or quadrant positions. Continue making adjustments to each iteration. If we want to run batch actions with iteration snapshots, we need to press the Rerun button under the Batch tab. This will preserve the iteration snapshots. You can see in the exported PowerPoint that each iteration has a unique gating position. If we wish to review the iteration snapshots without running batch actions, we can click the Review button. The Run, Rerun, and Review buttons follow any conditional pausing that was set up in the Batch Options menu. I will set it to unconditionally pause between iterations. If we press the Run button, the iteration snapshots will be cleared and the same gate positions will be used for all iterations. We get this message saying, "There are iteration snapshots already saved. Running the batch process will clear these saved snapshots. Are you sure you want to continue?" You can add a check mark here if you do not want to see this message again. If we press yes, we can see in the exported PowerPoint that the same gate position was used for each iteration. When you save your layout, the iteration snapshots will be saved. If you wish to clear the iteration snapshots in your layout, simply click the Apply Iteration Snapshot button. You will get a message saying, "Warning, turning off the Apply Iteration Snapshot will continue to record new iteration snapshots but not apply them." Previously recorded iteration snapshots will also be overwritten when navigating between iterations. When we press yes and we scroll through our iterations, we can see those iteration snapshots have been cleared. The iteration snapshots can be used together with standard snapshots. We can move this gate here and take a snapshot. Then move the gate here and click Apply Iteration Snapshots. If you have any questions, please send an email to support@denovosoftware.com.